cow.
I got the wrong lens on too. Crap holes.
If you want it.
Whoa! Wow. Holy crap.
Wonderful type of road that heads east from here, and we could probably take
Oh my god.
So we're going to make it south a mile or so, and then
I want to get out almost. Oh my god.
My God. That's the CB. Oh my goodness. 60 mile an hour winds.